Hello, my name is METİN. This is 216th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, physical constants are photonic hidden variables of the electron motion forms in meta sensation perception matter. If we talk about the Planck's constant, this means we talk about the Planck's constant of a photon as an inseparable point of electron motion form. And Planck's constant is nothing but angular momentum of the photon, and the Planck's constant is a hidden variable. Like what? This is one of my energy formulas here. This is Planck's constant angular momentum, but when electron motion form VE is in motion, this inside of this circle, this is variable Planck's constant. If electron motion form's velocity is zero, Planck's constant angular momentum is constant, but when electron motion form is in motion, relocating, Planck's constant is variable. I advise you to watch my former videos if you want. If we talk about the electron mass constant, this means we talk about the mass of a photon as an inseparable point of electron motion form, and two components masses of the photon are hidden variables. According to my theory and my formulas, here is one of my energy formulas, and this is energy formula that I put forth, and inside of hidden mass formula that I put forth, and if electron motion form is in motion, this mass of course will change. It is hidden variable, and two component masses on electron motion form surface. Yes. And two components masses of the photon are hidden variables. If I talk about linear velocity constant that I put forward, again, 1,884,000 km per second, 6.28 times greater than the speed of light, linear velocity of electron motion form. Yes, linear velocity of photon that inseparable point of an electron motion form. If I talk about linear velocity constant of 1,884,000 km per second, this means I talk about the linear velocity of a photon as an inseparable point of an electron motion form, and linear velocity of a photon is hidden variable. If we talk about constant speed of light, this means we talk about the arrival speed of perpetually this is electron motion form and successive waves perpetually. And point, any points, or this point, or this point. Photon never goes in straight line in continue. Cycling, cycling, cycling, cycling, electron motion form and its successive waves. Okay? Photon always moves as angular velocity. Okay? Like this. Angular motion. But n equal 1, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, etc. Each point seems imaginary. From this point to that point goes on as a straight line in continue. There is no continue. Yes. Light speed. If we talk about constant speed of light, this means we talk about the arrival speed of perpetually occurring different successive waves of electron motion forms. We talk about point effect of a photon as an inseparable point of electron motion form or its waves. And the speed of light is hidden variable. Of course, here, this is wave velocity, point wave velocity, variable. This is variable velocity of light, not speed of light from now on, when electron motion form, when the light source, successive wave source, is relocating, speed of light will be variable velocity of light. Changes depends on electron motion form's motion direction, velocity, and orientation. Okay. And the speed of light is hidden variable. Light speed is hidden variable, and it is hidden also in meta-sensation perception matter. Observable universe, our observable universe is our metaphysical universe, because we assume our sensation and perception naturally make us assume nothing is reality and space is reality. We cannot see meta-sensation perception matter directly, and electron motion forms, cyclical perpetual ring-shaped motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter are intrinsic motion forms. We cannot see them directly also. We can experience, we can live their interactions, effects. We are, our observable universe, are result of interaction of electron motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter. And there are two based realities. Matter-based reality is meta-sensation perception, unseen, transcend matter, meta-sensation perception matter reality. And as living experiences, life and matter, these are different things. Observable universe represented by life, or vice versa. Okay? Yes. Yes. Light speed is hidden variable and it is hidden also. No one can see a photon particle as it moves from one place to another. It can even be questioned whether a photon moves from one place to another in a continuous linear line. It may even be questioned whether the photon that has come down to us is actually identical to the first photon in the beginning. Eventually, these constants remain constants unless the electron motion form moves, relocates. But as soon as the electron motion form moves, these constants turn into variables. Have a good night. See you later.